In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to change a thumbnail, aka poster frame, on any exported video on your Mac. Also, big shout out to my dad for suggesting this video. On my desktop, you can see I have this already exported video, but the thumbnail is absolutely heinous. With Final Cut Pro open, you're going to want to go to the top right corner under your Share menu and then select Add Destination. From there, you're going to locate the Save Current Frame and just drag that over to the left side. You can see I already have a Save Current Frame set up here. Once you have that Save Current Frame over there, you can select it and just go ahead and set the export settings to either PNG or JPEG. And now I've designed my entire thumbnail using my new thumbnail creator for Final Cut Pro. I'll have a link to that down below. And once I am ready to export, we'll head up to the top right corner under our Share menu and then select Save Current Frame. Then we can push Next, and we can save it to our desktop or really anywhere that you like, and press Save. Now that Final Cut Pro has exported my thumbnail, I can right-click on my exported video, and then select Get Info. You can also get there with Command I. From there, you're just going to click and drag your thumbnail directly on this little image thumbnail on the top left corner, and just like that, you'll see that our video thumbnail has been swapped. But I also want to throw in another tip for those of you that are already using Compressor to export your videos. If you are sending your videos through Compressor by going up to File, selecting Send to Compressor, and selecting New Batch, and then head over to the right side under the Chapter section and click on this down arrow. From there, we'll select Set Poster Frame, and now this is going to give it the exact same treatment as if I had swapped it inside of Finder like we did previously. Don't forget to check out my thumbnail creator for Final Cut Pro, which is linked down below. I'll even toss in a special discount code as a thank you for watching this video.